Yeah. So I was telling you that internet technologies and web authoring is one of those courses that can shape your future in computer science, in software engineering, in IT. You get that is in a case if you understand the concepts very well, it can never, it will never, it cannot even at any single moment leave you the same. So what you have to do is, I must have told you one time about something that is a bit, that was a bit encouraging, that everything should be uh, driven by you. Then the rest are just additions, but you as a person, Holy Ghost says we are in different campuses with different programs. Yeah, but it's, these courses which are cutting across, we have a shared time. So I think this is something that I was still telling you that this course can shape your future in the tech field. That is, if you decided to take it on with the seriousness, with the a lot of what? A lot of ambitions towards it. So now I want to handle you in a way that is mature enough, and I'm not going to teach you, but I will lecture and lead you. So meaning that we are going to have sessions where we just come and discuss to understand. I don't want to come here, I think the day we do what? Then you go when you're just cramming stuff. No, I want to be having sessions with you that can shape and change your understanding of the technology. So now in this course, internet technologies and web authoring, you see we have quite a number of terminologies. Internet technologies, right? Meaning that we are going to do stuff concerning what? The internet. There is no single person. There is no single person who has not tested or who is not intending to test or who is not enjoying the privileges that internet has brought to the what? To the world. Meaning that if you become an expert in the internet technologies, then that means you're positioning yourself in a place which has competitive advantage. Because that means you will be in a position to provide the solutions to the demands of the society. You see, once you study something, or once you practice something, or once you do something that does not have demand in society, or that does not solve any problem, then that particular something may not be of great value. I need to inform you that, okay, where do people, in case maybe I can just hear from you as we continue, can anyone just type for me, where do you think people get money? Like when I talk about money, I'm talking about real money. And I want to reach a time when I'm serious when I'm talking about this. I want to reach a time when most of the prominent people, when it comes to using web and internet for my class. And I know it is very, very possible. I've seen it happening. And the people are enjoying the benefits of the power of internet. I want you to test this.
Enjoy.
I want us to concentrate, Sylvia, concentrate and so that we can do what? We can move. Allow me to mute you so that we can proceed. So I was telling you that I've seen people enjoying the privileges, enjoying advantages of internet, even when they have not studied.
It's today. Which subject?
Allow me to mute her. Okay, Julius. Okay, now I was still telling you that once you understand the internet, let me give you a very clear example. We are studying, that is why I told you, I'm not going to come here to teach, but I will come here to lecture and lead you so that you have a difference. You become different from other people. That is the only way you will, manage to live this life. Because, like I need to let you know, you are not the first people to do this course. Very many people have done it from even different campuses, from different universities, from different countries, meaning that we cannot continue behaving the same. We need to change. Once you change, it's the way how you will manage competitive work. I don't need to tell you that mute. Oh, I don't need to first time mute you. I believe you know the culture whenever we meet for virtual sessions. Yeah, unless someone is new, but at least some people we need to. Yeah, you only unmute when you're going to give a submission. Yeah, but the rest will be. It is good that we stay what? We stay muted. Let me give you an example. Me, when I had just finished my first degree in 2010, of course, by then there was, okay, technology was not so much, we are in a developing country, So, but as time went on, by 2014, actually, we had the focused much on the use of the web and the internet. And believe me, yes, our lives changed, our lives never remained the same because of the power of what? Internet. Because now you see, even you yourselves, you can do this. You can start. Actually, the hardest thing is to start, but once you start, there is always a way how to move around. Okay, someone came to Anthony says, I have a question. I don't understand something. You find that when we are at the campus, the Wi-Fi shows that it's there, but it shows no internet. Hey, yeah, it is very possible. It is very possible. The way how you can find a jerry can of water when it is empty. Yes, it is a jerry can of water, but there is no what? There is no water in it. The same way, it is actually, it is not the internet, but the network you get. Yes, that is network. A network can be there, but without what? Internet connectivity. It is very possible. You get. Yeah, so we are going to reach at that point. We are going to reach at that point so you can understand it very well. Now, I was telling you that you can work from home. You can work from campus. When you are not paying the rent, when you are not paying the taxes, but you are earning euros. You are earning euros.
We teach us like three times, and he sends the notes and goes away.
I will need to mute Deborah also, and they also admit Nokia Katoch in. For purposes of records and the attendance, I request that every time you come to class, please rename your device to your real names that you use, because at the end of the day, attendance is it's very important. Yeah. So I was telling you, now we're going to start the internet. When we talk about internet technologies, we need to know what internet is. When we talk about allow this to fill briefly. Okay. Now, when we talk about internet, we allow Dixon Mawanda. Okay. Sorry that our links are not yet out, but we can temporarily use this as we wait for the official ones. Who is okay? Someone says, but what? You complete the statement so that I'm able to address your concern. Yeah, we are here to discuss and understand. So when we talk about internet, basically we are talking about a set of computer networks that are connected to each other. You get, yeah, for example, the internet. When I talk of set of computer networks that are connected to each other, meaning that internet is a combination of multiple networks. I want you to understand this. When I say that internet is a set of computer networks that are connected together, it means they are different networks somewhere, but what makes them connect together is what we call the internet. That is why the internet is called the network of networks, the massive network of networks, meaning that itself is a network but made up of other networks. I want you to understand that. Or you can even call it like a global channel for digital communication and data exchange. A global channel for digital data, for digital communication and information and data exchange. So that is internet. That is the massive network of networks. The way how we can have a university, but a university might have other campuses, and these campuses have what we call colleges, schools, institutions, faculties. All of those might be treated as independent or autonomous institutions, but within a big setup, which is the university. For example, you see, there are some other developed universities whereby one university can have multiple colleges within it, multiple schools, multiple institutions, and so on. Now, like even ours, yes, we have the Institute of what? Institute of Languages, you get. So it is an institute, but within university. We have the School of Public Health at Zambia, you get. Yeah, we have faculties, you get. So, but what makes all of those come together is what we call the university. Now, when we talk about the internet, set of computer networks connected together. But I want you to just allow me. I want you to just allow me ask the moment you don't understand something, because if you see, I'm here to make you understand. And if you don't understand, that means I have no reason of being here. So that is what you have to feel free. Share anything, share any question, so that you are able to understand it beyond. Because I'm not going to be all the time like maybe sharing notes and then we dictate and maybe like maybe send notes for you people to do what? To read on your own and so on. I want you to first understand. By the time you receive the notes, you know what you are doing. You are able even to cite issues. You are able to supplement. You get. So that is why I want you to understand. Then someone here says, how can you invent your own internet different from current internet? Okay. Now, as before I go to that, I had already asked you a question where I need each one of you to give an answer, but none has submitted that answer. I asked you, where do people get money? Because I know very well you people are here because you need to get money. Otherwise, if it wasn't the reason, maybe some of you would have stopped at senior 4 and you go to some other stuff and so on. But even when you go to some other areas, maybe you go to border, maybe you go to the market, still you're looking for what? For money. Now I want us to understand the sources of money. Fine, we are now here at school, but where do people get money? It is what I want to hear from each one of you. But you see, as I don't know whether maybe I'm not. Okay, someone says, Jessica says, she begs my pardon on the what? On the definition of what? Internet. But fine, I'm going to give a definition, but Jessica, allow me try to understand. It is my target, it is my humble request. I want you to understand it well, because I've said that internet, first of all, internet in full is called international network. You get, meaning that it is accessed worldwide, right? Yeah. So now, when we talk about the definition of internet, we mean the set of computer networks connected together. Meaning we have different sets, but then once you connect all of those different sets together, when they can communicate, talk to each other, then they are powered by what we call what? Internet. That is why I told you it is the massive network of networks. Itself is a network, but made up of other what? Networks. I don't know if I'm really adding any value to your understanding of what internet is, but I request that in case you don't understand, please bring it on board so that we are able to do it. But I'm sorry, I may not be able to continue with this lecture in case you people don't submit any response to the question I've raised. It is not a technical question. It is just a matter of, even if you tell me people get money from maybe robbing, people get money from market, it is the answer I need. But you cannot tell me that the entire class I asked such a question and then you refuse to do what? To respond. I cannot continue with such a class. I rather go and do something else, because that means we shall never understand if you only need stuff to be dictated. I'm not that kind of person, because I won't be adding any value to you. I want you to understand, but I cannot force you again to understand. If I ask you such a simple question that, you know what, just tell me, what do you think? Where do people get money? And you cannot say anything. Now, what about the time comes and I ask now technical questions? You people are not serious. This is not good. This is not the way how we should do. We should work together.
With these people, they just come with the timetable, it is not proper, you post. First seat, organize.
I want you to change this society. Yeah, because you our government, when the people don't strike, the government does not come up to work on their issue. So now even you wait for me to first strike, then you can now start submitting answers like water now, because I'm saying now everything is just pouring. We cannot move like that. We need to change the society. We need to change everything. We need to be the people leading in each and everything. But you don't wait that every time you need to be reminded of what to do, then you can act. You cannot move like that. So now, like I want to first apologize because I already apologized that we are using a temporary Zoom account whereby this is a free account. It's not a premium version whereby now it is going to do what? It is going to, after 7 minutes from now, it is going to do what? To shut down because it can only give us a 40 minutes session. Then it does what? We can restart, you get. So you will try to abide by, I mean, let's go with that. Yeah. Then we shall disconnect and then connect back. Sorry for that interruption, but also I know it will help you when you are watching these videos, whereby you don't watch something very long, but at least which are manageable. Now, okay, let me just go through the charts here. The charts became very many and even let me just retrieve. Okay. I get from the bank. Nelson said if you get money from the bank after work you get paid. That was Sinamo Olivia. Maybe my answer, my question was not well. Okay, okay. Don't say after pay, after work you get paid. I'm now asking after working, doing what? That is what I'm looking for. You get, yeah. People get money from selling games like on Amazon. That was Pato Joseph. Then Norman says, sir, I beg your pardon of the question. Okay, yes, I was asking, where do you think people get money, like real money? I don't want you to think about this, but I'm talking about the money that the inventors of Facebook, the Mark Zuckerberg, the inventors of WhatsApp, the guys in maybe, you know, fuel, I mean, real money, like I'm talking about $1 billion, you know. Yeah, so that is the one I'm referring to. Yeah, so then Saibed, okay. And Anthony says, okay. And Anthony, people get money from the business they said. Actually, even Uganda, who got money out of what? Having internet cafe shops. It is not, it's not. Pato Joseph comes back and says, and selling books online. Okay. So Kawada says through trade, that is so general, you need you to be specific. Trading what? Then people get money from teaching. This is now actually Sylvia. Oh, if people get money from teaching, wouldn't I be a billionaire? Because I've told since what? So people don't get money from teaching. I don't want you to start consoling your lecturers that you know what, because yeah, someone said people get money from teaching. No, people don't get money from that. Some get money from agriculture, such as coffee planting, the Vicent. Then Sylvia says, like lecturers, like lectures. Then Jessica says people get money from making different designs from different things. Different designs from different things. Okay, I don't know whether the way I have understood your point is the way you have also perceived it. So Olivia has maybe, I'm seeing her hand up, maybe she has something to communicate. Please, in case you have something to communicate, you can unmute and go on before we continue with the chat and before we continue.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I think if someone can be a little bit smart, you can think of structure plans, you think of sites. For example, you can look at what happened when we were in lockdown. You can think of things like now the expo. You can do an online expo whereby you open up shops online. People buy the shops online. You can use those sites like for marketing. When someone subscribes and you give them room on your site, they are going to pay you money. For example, and you implement it, you get someone to build for you. They say, like, for example, we are doing programming. So you end up putting it up, broadcasting it, marketing it. So people, you find people.
Okay, thank you very much.
We
Very much for that.
reach to each other from.
Yeah, we have understood your point. Sarah also has something to say, but maybe Sarah, we are back, Wait. Yeah, wait.
Okay,
Maybe Norman, you will come when we connect back because we are going off in just 1 minute from now. People get money from making different designs. Okay, that one I had already read. Not smart and the Snapshot still. People get money through opening business like internet cafe. People get money from rendering services from there. So we are going home just shortly. Actually, you can even just allow me to terminate the session, then we can connect back.
Off.
Then we are going to do that shortly. You connecting, I'm just going to reconnect, so don't wait for even a minute. It's just right now.